Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir. And today's video recipe is about pickled cucumber and carrot. Yes, you are watching the clip from our previous video, and like we promised, here's the recipe for the pickle. Watch our previous video on chicken slider and the link will be on the top right corner. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to cook the pickle. So let's start by taking 2 green cucumbers and slice them up. On our channel we have got more than 200 recipes and many more to come. So to watch those, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Mix so that the cucumber is nicely coated. This is to remove the water content from cucumber. Now let it rest for 10 minutes. That's the water content I was talking about. Wash the cucumber to remove the salt. Cut 2 green chilies and 3 dried chilies. You can use fresh red chilies too. Now take 1 cup water, half cup sugar, and cook till the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, add the chopped chilies, both green and red. Cook till the water starts to boil. Add salt to taste and let it boil. Once it boils, turn off the flame and add the sliced cucumber and carrot. Initially we did not plan on adding the carrot, then we decided to do it anyway. Add half cup white vinegar and stir well. Let the veggies soak for minimum 6 hours. I hope you can see the change in color of the liquid and the change in the lighting too. Now transfer the veggies to an airtight container. Pour the liquid That's it for this video. Catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.